What's going on, everybody? My name is Bo from Decanty, and today we're going to be talking about this boy and the cheapest alternative I could find out there and see what we think. So stick around because I've also got a little giveaway for you guys again. So enjoy and stay tuned. Hey up, lads. No, I don't know why I said hey up, lads. I just thought I'd say it. Anyway, what's up, my cockers? Today we are talking about this bad boy, Creeds Aventus, and well, actually, the best, cheapest alternative you can find on the market. I scoured the globe for this, and yeah, well, it's just the cheapest alternative I could find. Creeds Aventus is probably the best-selling fragrance, well, one of the best-selling fragrances on the market at all, like ever. Sold an absolute ton and has really thrown sort of the niche / expensive market into the public eye and really brought out a lot of these smaller brands out and yeah, really sort of allowed them to boom, especially Creeds themselves. Very, very, very famous for the pineapple accord in it. People love it. People think it's fantastic. It's very high quality, long lasting, huge compliment getter. You can't go wrong with Creeds Aventus. You can wear it for almost all occasions. I would say it's more formal than anything, but definitely a hugely versatile fragrance. However, it's got a very steep price of £285, which only really stupid people pay for fragrances, especially when you see a fragrance that's this cheap. Anyway, so I was out shopping, I saw this, and I thought, you know what, I've got to get that because that is going to be the cheapest alternative to Creeds Aventus I've ever seen. Now, don't get me wrong, there are other cheap alternatives like Mont Blanc Explorer and Club de Nuit Intense Man, including probably millions of others out there. These are all very good, very trustworthy, do the fragrance some justice, they're pretty close to it, and huge compliment getters themselves. But they are still, like, you know, for a 100ml bottle, you're looking at probably about £60 to £90. But this is literally probably like a stupid fraction of the price of those as well. So this is £285. This is £284 cheaper, making it just £1. I found this in Poundland, which we all know is the absolute go-to shop for fragrances. Everyone goes to the shop in there. I saw a huge queue when I saw this on the shelf. People were fighting over bottles, and it was just abysmal. There was blood everywhere. Oh, when this came on the shelves, everyone lost it. No, but in all seriousness though, this is probably the cheapest alternative I've ever found. It's called Regal Emperor. Now, I actually have not researched this at all, what people think. Even if it's on Fragrancer, I don't even know. And you probably won't find anything quite as cheap as this. I'm just looking for the batch code, sorry. Anyway, I actually challenge you to find a cheaper alternative, and we're talking about RRP, so the suggested retail price is £1. So if you can find something for its SSP that is cheaper than £1 and is meant to be a clone of Creeds Aventus, I challenge you. See if you can find it. If so, send me a picture on my Facebook or my Instagram. Which ones I've actually ever set up, I don't know. I don't really use them. Send me a picture, and I tell you what, I'll eat my hat. For a video, I'll eat a hat. This hat. On YouTube. I'll do that. Anyway, what are we talking about? This and this. Does this actually smell anything like that? And is this anywhere near as good? I reckon it'd be better just because it's from the famous house of For You. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. Yeah, I don't think you're going to see it. But it's from a brand called For You from Birmingham. Good old trustworthy Birmingham. Anyway, let's get into another much anticipated unboxing. So to start off with, you've got the name of the fragrance, the concentration, which is an EDT, and the size, which is 100 mils. On the bottom here, you've got the batch code, which is B291913, which I believe is the batch code anyway. And that's all really about the bottle. You've got a bit of shininess on the front, but that's about it. Then on top, we're gonna get into the bottle now itself. For some reason, this cellophane is actually like child lock, which is a bit depressing because I'm 24 and I'm still having issues with child locks. So there we go. There's the box out of the cellophane. Open this bad boy up, and I don't know what that smell is. I hope that's not the fragrance because that is atrocious. What is that? I don't understand what this is. Basically, what this is the fact that the bottle, they could only get boxes this size, so they filled it with cardboard. That is false advertising at its best there. There. I could literally just crush it. That's the actual size of the bottle. You watch, this will be off sale and I've just ruined the box. Whoa! Whoa! Where did that come from? Oh my lord! What a gorgeous bottle! So to be fair, this has actually got a bit of a fancy top, usually for really cheap fragrances, but a fancy bottle too. Literally what feels like a sticker on the front there that says Regal Emperor. They spent all their money for, you know, materials on the box, because that's shiny. That's not. That's just a matte sticker that they've just gone, bugger it. Regal Emperor. Fantastic. Yet again on the bottle you've got your batch codes, address of the company, made in India, and it's 100 ml. You know, nothing too exciting to be fair. Comparison, I think at the minute I would definitely go for the Regal Emperor just because of how fashionable that bottle is. You can tell they've put in all that effort into it. No expenses lost there. There's absolutely huge amounts of money gone into this. Now, as many of you probably already know, I like to look at the tube. That tube is nice and visible, which I don't like at all. And for some reason, actually, I've just looked at this. I don't know if you can see that. There's like freaking sea monkeys in my fragrance. I don't know why, but there is literally what looks like sea monkeys in my bottle of juice. Okay. Anyway, those are those. Definitely go for the Regal Emperor at the minute. Looks the most expensive. I reckon if you rocked up with this, people would be like, holy shit, give him my Lamborghini. Anyway, take the cap off. Very flimsy, very plasticky, very cheap. Then you got this. This is the atomizer, and it looks absolutely horrific. Looks like it's from probably the 1700s. It's got a very, very old-fashioned plastic. I reckon you could... Oh, look at that. Look how flimsy that is. Beautiful. It's almost like a joystick off a controller. Right. Let's try the atomizer. Okay. I don't even... Okay. Right. I'm just getting a lot of smells here. This is Creeds Aventus. So Creeds Aventus, honestly here, comes bursting through the door with a masculine, very like high quality scent, which is lovely. Then I've got this that smells like some sort of pharmaceutical good and is actually almost gone into me, actually making my skin like irritated a little bit. I don't know why, but it's actually a little itchy. And I think the scent's actually already gone and there's been a few seconds. Oh, hold on. It's back. Yeah, I think that just smells more like hand sanitizer more than anything. That is not what I really expected. I know it's only a cheap clone, but I expected something. That Creeds Aventus, you can smell the high quality in it. This just smells like pharmaceutical hand gel that has a fragrance that lasts for 2 seconds. Fantastic. What a great buy. I'm not going to lie to you. I reckon if you can find yourself a bottle of Regal Emperor, you will not feel bad about buying it. It is the best spend of your money. And I'm going to tell you now, a great investment would be to buy 200 of these bottles and sell them for when they get discontinued because of how amazing they are. Literally, I can't even smell anything now. No, absolutely nothing. Regal Emperor, a £1 clone of Creeds Aventus, the cheapest you'll probably find, and probably the worst clone on the market. It is only £1, you can't really fault it for that. Regal Emperor, go buy it, you'll love it, and it'll replace your Creeds Aventus. Not ashamed of buying it. Like my last video, I'm going to give away another care package. Give me some time to send them out because, like I said, I want to send them all at the same time. But I'm going to give away another care package. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put two scents in the same care package. We have a 5ml decant of Creeds Aventus and a 5ml decant of Regal Emperor. So you yourself can compare them, and whoever the lucky person is will get a 5ml decant of Creeds Aventus. And to be fair, who can say no to that? Because as everyone knows, Creeds Aventus is absolutely phenomenal and you can't go wrong with it. So yeah, have that in your pipe and smoke it. I will on the back put the fact there's 2 fragrances in there, the batch codes, everything, all the legal good stuff you need on fragrance bottles. You'll get 2 of these. I'll squeeze 2 in somehow, like so. You'll have 2, blah blah blah. Open it as a little gift to you. The way you enter these little care package giveaways is you have to like and comment on the video. You also have to be subscribed. Now, I didn't know this myself, but not everyone can see everyone's subscriptions. So make sure that the channel can see your subscriptions publicly, or you make them public, whatever. I will then message you if you win or if you get picked. It'll be completely at random. Whether or not I do it as in a video or whatever, I don't know. I will contact you, you give me your address, I will send you a 5ml decant of each, and that will be your lucky day. And thank you for watching.